guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and welcome to another video of Divalogue 2020 series. So I hope you guys are enjoying the videos of Divalogue series. I'm really excited to create more videos. Also, before we start with the video, I have a giveaway going on. So if you haven't participated, do check out the day 1 video of my Divalogue and participate in the giveaway. And now let's talk about today's video. Now many a times it might happen that we are running out of time and we don't really have the time to apply multiple skincare products. Also, many of you might not be a fan of applying more products on your skin, and today I have one such product for you guys which will help you solve almost all your skin problems, and you just need to do one step to take care of your skin, and that is really great. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's quickly talk about the product. So the product which I'm going to talk about today is by Ekte Life Science. It's the Glass Skin Sunscreen Gel with SPF 50++. So this sunscreen comes in this bottle with a pump, which is really convenient, so that you can have adequate amount as per your need, and that would result into less wastage. So let's start with the formula of this sunscreen first. So as I said, it comes in a pump packaging, so it's really convenient to use it. So I'm just going to show you how it actually looks like. So this is how the consistency of sunscreen looks like. It's a gel form sunscreen. So as you can see, as I go on rubbing it, it just gets absorbed into my skin, and you can see how hydrated my skin looks like. Just look at this. Can you see at the radiance? And it quickly gets absorbed into your skin. You can see a fan of this formula because gel based sunscreen are really good. It can be used by people with dry skin, oily skin, as well as combination skin. Also, it doesn't make your face really oily or greasy. The good thing about this sunscreen is that it provides protection against UVA as well as UVB. Also, it has SPF of 50++, which is amazing. Now talking about the benefits of this one, it's not just a sunscreen. You can use it as a primer, as an under eye gel. You can also use it as a moisturizer. Talking about me, I have really dry skin. I have also used this sunscreen as my moisturizer, and trust me you guys, I have really dry skin, and this has provided apt amount of hydration and nourishment to my skin. Also, it evens out your skin tone so well. If you have any kind of uneven skin tone, use this one. It's going to help you out with it. Also, talking about this, I remember that nowadays lot of us have so much of work on screen. We spend hours and hours with our phones and laptops. Talking about me, I have so much of work on my screen that almost more than 14 hours a day are spent on screen. And I know a lot of you might be studying online, a lot of you might be working from home, and due to that we all have so much use of screens. So this sunscreen also provides protection against blue light which is emitted from phones and computers, basically anything digital. So you can just use this sunscreen even if you are at your home. There's a myth that goes around that you need a sunscreen only when you are going out in sun, which is not actually true. You have to apply a sunscreen even if you're indoors, because there are a lot of other lights which are going to damage your skin if you don't use a sunscreen. And basically this one is really a good deal because it not only provides protections against this rays, it also acts as a skin protectant, and it also is a really good skincare product. Evens out your skin tone. What else do you need? Talking about the ingredients of this sunscreen, it has hyaluronic acid and red algae as the ingredients. Now I cannot tell you enough about hyaluronic acid. It is the king of all the ingredients when it comes to skincare. It plumps out your skin, retains water, and makes your skin really hydrated, and that is the main ingredient in this one. Also, red algae is really essential for your skin. This sunscreen also claims to reduce or control the inflammation. Also, it helps in figuring out the pigmentation and fading the spots that you have. So if you're someone who has pigmentation, like most of us tend to have pigmentation around the eye area or around the lip area, so you can definitely use this sunscreen, because also it's gonna even out your skin tone and it will just just fade any dark spots or pigmentation that you guys have. Also many a times happen that if we are working a lot in sun, there happens to be spots on our skin, so you can definitely use this one and it's going to help you out. Talking about the price point, it's just for 699 rupees, and I must say you get a lot of benefits at this price, and it's really a good deal. So you can definitely invest in a sunscreen like this, and you are not only investing in a sunscreen, you are investing in something which is going to help you in a lot of things with your skin. Also, you don't need any other additional product if you are having this. Also, the name it has is glass skin, and that is really apt because the amount of hydration and radiance you get after applying this is really equivalent to glass skin. You just saw when I applied it on my hand, you just saw the amount of radiation. I am a fan of gel based sunscreens in general, and especially this one, the formula. I am just so happy with it. Also, another plus point is you can also use this sunscreen underneath your makeup. Like as I said, I use it as a moisturizer. You can even use it as a primer because it will provide a base to your makeup to stick onto, and also it will keep your makeup intact for a longer period of time. So that is another thing which you can use this one with. It has like multiple things it can work on, so definitely you can have your hands on this one. I'll leave the link in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, that was about this sunscreen. I hope you guys would have loved this video, and I definitely recommend to go for this one. So that was all about today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video.